Residents of Mount Felix in St. Thomas are appealing to the authorities to fix the road in the area. They say the road in their community is so bad that pretty soon the community could cease to exist as everyone is leaving. More in the support from Dwayne Anderson.
The place is running down. The school closed down. The church closed down. The residents are moving out because of the road.
Another community in lockdown. But this time, it is not the COVID-19 pandemic that is to blame. Instead, it is a road, or the lack thereof. This stony pathway looks more like a riverbed, but it's what residents of Mount Felix in St. Thomas have called a road for years.
Long time now, we don't see this road fix. I can't tell you, I remember. So long, I remember how much here now.
This tavern was once bustling with business, but now it is closed and overgrown with shrubs, as people who used to go there for refreshment can no longer visit due to the bad roads. A toppled utility pole is further evidence of the neglect. This car has been locked away for a long time. It is not wise to try to drive it through here. Donkeys are a more practical mode of transport. The animals are popular among those who farm in the area. But most times, the production is too great for the animals to carry, so the food goes to waste.
There's no road to go up there. If you just go around the corner now, you cannot pass, not even food. Actually cannot pass here. Not even donkey, because the road at the bottom side tear off. All the residents up there move out, and they have no road. We have about 10,000 coconut, Mr. Cooper and I, we plant here. We cannot even get to reach it, or we can take it out of the area when it's above here. We have no road. So we want to know why we're paying taxes. Cause I don't want no taxes up here. My cousin don't want no taxes up here. The man we are paying taxes. Me pay my own, my parents' own.
My own here. Everybody paying taxes.
Everybody pay their taxes. So what is the problem? The mayor tell me that the road is a farm road. This is a parochial road. Yeah. Where whole of vehicles run from my boy.
Ludlow Mattison is the councillor for the area.
Over the past few years, I actually make representation for this Mount Felix road. But I always hear that no money is not in the system. Which I am not looking a rehabilitation road. I'm just looking like a tractor to come and scrape the road. That's the people could have access of the road much easier.
The road leads to the Blue and John Crow Mountains, popular sites for adventure seekers and tourists. Residents say the area is filled with opportunities and want the authorities to help. Their message is therefore really simple.
We want a road. The community want a road, and that's the one. Road. We want good road.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.